G'day folks, it's Laura here, and today I'm going to do another flip cup pour. This time I'm going to be using bluey green colours and a little bit of gold. So I've got French blue, celadon, jade, opal, pale gold and titanium white. I'm going to soften this French blue just a little bit with some titanium white. I'm going to use my standard pouring medium for this, and I'll link to a video on how to make this if you're interested. It's time to layer my cup now, and I'm going to use my normal cell activator. I'll link to a video on how to make this if you're interested. And I'm going to start with a generous layer on the bottom of the cup. And I'm quite keen to get a little bit of gold showing through, as well as some of the other colors, and so I'm going to do a few stripes on this one. Now I've already prepared my canvas. This is the front of the canvas, this is the back of the canvas, and I've added painter's tape as well as these giant push pins. So it's time to flip the cup now. So I've got some interesting cell patterns happening in this middle section. I'm loving the little stripy patterns happening down here, and this is quite interesting too. With this painting, I think I might stretch the paint this way and then spin it out a little. Okay, time to spin. I'm going to need to help the paint in this direction and this direction just a little. Beautiful. I'm very happy with this. I'm just going to make sure that all of these edges are covered. So I like a lot of the elements of this painting. In particular, I love this gold stripe of lacing that's coming through here. I'm loving these subtle kind of stripes that are happening down in this section. And all of this lacing and bubbles and cell, I think these are all very beautiful. But one of the things that I absolutely adore about this section is that I've got some subtle layers coming in underneath that are going in this kind of direction that you can see through this upper layer of cells. Very happy with this one.